Right, and welcome to this episode. I'm gonna be. We will continue from where we stopped. Um, this episode we'll be able to create our floor for our penthouse, and then add some more features and some of the aesthetics that are supposed to be there on our model. So let's go straight into it. Um, I would like to use my view tab so that I can divide this screen into two, so that whatever I'm doing in so you can see it's because I have a lot of tabs that are open at the same time, so I will close most of them. um, Close this and close this. Okay, fine, we are here now. So at the first floor level, if you look at the model here, so this is basically what we are going to create now, and this as well. So let's go straight into it. So let's come here. Right, so I will pick a wall of come to architectural tab, click on our wall. Let me use the $150. Some of these walls we are going to change them as we progress, just for us to have a better result. Let me use this. Okay, so very important, this is our first floor level, which is at the base level. I can go a minus 150, and then this is I can leave it at the, the lintel is 1200. So if I want this to be let's say 450, so I will calculate. I'll use my calculator. So I have 2100. This is just for us to understand what is going on. If I subtract 450 from this, I'm going to be having 1600. So what I will do is to select this and type in minus 1600. I think it's 650. 650 minus 1650, and then I will draw. So the good thing about this is that whatever you are doing, you will see it reflecting in your 3D model as well. So you can see what we have. So this wall, I can change it. Or let me leave it as it is, but I will have to shift this wall. Or let me leave it as it is. I will edit the floor. This floor itself, I'm going to edit that so that it can flush better and look better in the model. Okay, so that is that. Then for this here, what I will do is, say we have this, so we can have this come here and go this way. So this is coming out a bit, so let's try that. So I'm going to be having a wall here. Draw a wall. Okay, let me take it at 150 here. So this one is supposed to go out a bit. Okay, I can just simply retake this instead. Let me delete this wall and take it again. So I can use my trim to fillet this. Okay. Okay. I just hope you understand what is going on right now. And then I just edit the, oh sorry, this line. I have to fillet this or else it won't work. Okay, so we're there. Right. So I would like to change some of these walls and give them some nice colors and all of that. So we can use the already created one that has already been created. How to do that is to, we already have a model we are actually trying to reproduce, which is this. um, so we can transfer projects just like the way I demonstrated earlier on from the previous episode. If I come to transfer project standard, I can transfer all these standards from this existing model to my current model that I'm working on. It's very important. I can also copy doors, walls, windows, and all of that and paste them in my existing model. That will really make my job way more easier and very fast to use to work on. Okay. If I come to, I just transferred this standard. It's loading in the background, so let's wait for it. All right, so that has been copied successfully. Let's come back to our walls. Let's see what we have here. So okay, good. You can see there are some new set of walls that has been added here, so I can switch some of these that I have created. That's why I said the main thing is just get your model right. You can at your own liberty change any of these however you feel like. All right, so let me change this to my white wall. Right, so I've changed that to white. Let's see what we have. Okay, great. I will equally change this to white as well. Okay, detach. Okay, fine, amazing. Okay, so we have all of these here. um I can do similarly for this side as well. So let's see, let's just rotate this a bit. All right, let me attach this to this other wall down. So you will realize by the time you finish this complete model that you have a very good insight on Revit generally, because by the end of this particular project you would have been exposed to all the possibilities, all that you can achieve as far as Revit is concerned. Okay, although it's a bit wide, but I don't think there is any kind of model that will be so difficult for you to achieve after this. Okay, it's just to use same principle to achieve whatever shape or kind of model that you want to get. All right, let's insert another of this. Although for this wall here, let me do something. I think I will have to break I will have to break this wall. For this, let me change this one to I can just simply move this here. right, good. So I can as well change this also, and you will see how it's taking effect on the 3D. Even as I'm changing any of this, you will see it updating itself in the 3D model. Okay, fine. Here I'm going to cut this. All right, so these I'll change this to, all right, let me leave it as it is, but this I will take it to, I will change this to 0. I will change this level to hence level, and I will click on apply. So you can see what is going on. So you can see what is going on. It's very interesting. You can play around your model. So I believe it's looking a bit close to what we were able to from the existing model. Touch. Okay, fine. Okay. So we'll do similarly for this other side at the back here. So this time around we'll pick our wall. We'll go down. Since we already have that wall here, I will just pick on it and just draw. Okay, I think let me go this way instead. I would like to track it at the middle. You can see that dashed line, so that means I'm tracking it at the center. It's very important. So I will drop. Okay, so you can see it has been created here, but if you look very well, you see that the floor is also showing here. So we can edit, we can actually edit that. So one of the things you should do is to you can hover your hand around where you know that this thing will be, your floor will be. So once the floor is highlighted, you will see the lines. As you can see, we have one horizontal, one vertical. Once I click, that line will highlight our floor. Okay, so it's very important that you do that. I can edit this and then bring this. If you notice, we have been playing around our floor because sometimes you will have to go through this route just to get the final touch of what you want to achieve. So I will delete this this way, delete this way, and I will click on finish. don't attach. Okay, that has been created. Okay. If you look very well, you will notice that there is like a flower bed that is here. Okay, if you look at this model from here, let me rotate this. So I can equally create that here. All I need to do is just to, and mind you, we are the first floor. Let me go to my DPC level, and if you look at this very well, this is going a bit lower than the DPC level. Okay, it's going a bit lower, so that can be achieved from here as well. So all I need to do is just to come to my DPC here. So if I come to my DPC, I can select my walls and specify minus, let's say 150, and update it. So it's going to be at minus 150 when we check our model. I will draw a wall here. So this is going to come this way to this point, right? So to do that, let's come back here and pick that wall. So I'm equally using a white wall. So I will pick these, come this way, and let's say I make it 2.5 and I drop. So but then be very careful about what you are picking. Specify your levels correctly. It's very, very important. This should be I have 150 down plus 150. This should be around 1900, and this should be around 1950. Okay, so 1950, and I'll apply. So but then let's view it from our 3D to see what we have. All right, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. All right, we can as well create railings for this. You know, we have our railings, but let's come to this model and see what we have on this model as regards to this other place. So this is going, okay, so I will raise this wall a bit, raise it up a bit, come to my first floor here. So this will be going at so I can simply use my calculator anyway. 1200, let's say my, sorry, 2100, say minus 750 will be 1350. So let's have 1350. Click on apply. Right, so let's view what we have here. Okay, this is still not very good enough. Although this wall, let's find a way to fillet this with this. Let's trim it. So let me rotate this and see what I have. Okay, right, nice. This is a bit low, so I can click on the wall. So I'll make it minus 1000 instead. Okay, I think it's better. Okay. I can as well split it anyway. But I would like to reduce this to. Okay, let me bring it here. All right, fine. And then this one. It has flush better now. Okay, so this is it. All right, let's try to insert the railings that are here. We have one here, we have another here. At the back too, we have another cantilever here. Okay, it's just a sit out there at the back. We need to create that as well. And then all right, let's go into that. All right, let's insert our rails. I will come here. I will come to my rails under my architecture tab. I will click on this drop down menu and click on this railing. Click on it. Once I click, I can use the line to draw my railing part, okay, where I want this railing to go. My base level is ground floor, and that is not where I want it to be. My base level should be at my first floor. All right, so I'm there, so I will draw my railings. Oh no, this base level is first floor. It's like this thing is creating down below, but let me finish and do this and see what we have. Okay, fine, I'm in the right track. Okay, my railing has been created. If you look at this from the 3D, similarly I will create for this. So all I need to do is just to click on railings, and I will use the line. Okay. Okay, this should be at the first floor level. All right. Base offsets, let's say 150. All right. So you can play around your model, make sure you get a great result. Let's say 50. All right. So that is that. On the next episode, I will take you through creating the floor at the parapet level, and then we will be able to create insert our railings. As you can see, our model is gradually coming out well, as much as we want it. So I will see you in the next episode.